Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google form link that needs to be shared to the respondents of your survey or quiz. So if you need to copy the link that you want to share, don't copy this link at the top here at the web address. So if you want to create the link, you just need to go to the send button at the top right corner. Click on that, and in here there will be this link icon in here, and there you'll see the links that you can share to the respondents. But if you want to shorten it so that it will easier to like copy and paste, you can just click on the text box right here, and it will become shorter like this. And after that, you can just click on Control plus C, or you can just click on copy. Then after that, you can share it through email, WhatsApp, or Facebook, or any other social media. Okay, so that's how the Google Forms link created. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment if you have any question, and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.